Today I'm going to show you a number of tips and life hacks for cleaning your shower. If some of your tile grouting is discoloured and maybe a bit mouldy, give it a spray down with some bathroom cleaner and get yourself a tile grout cleaning brush. They've got nice stiff bristles and really work wonders. Give all the grouting a good scrub and it should really help to clean it all up. Give it all a wipe down and let it dry. And you can see it already looks a lot better. If you like, you can try using one of these Grout reviving pens to make it look even fresher. Draw over all the grout lines. Then wipe off any excess that's on the face of the tiles. Looks pretty clean, huh? Leave it to completely dry, and if you like, you can use a candle to help seal the grout and stop it discolouring and going mouldy in the future. The candle wax should seal the grout and make it waterproof. You can keep the shower glass clean by just using a window and glass cleaner spray and a squeegee to remove smears and water stains and help to keep limescale at bay. To clean your shower head, you can remove it from the hose. Be careful not to drop the rubber washer. Then place the head into a plastic bag without any holes. Next, we're going to pour in some vinegar. And I also poured some through the end. We want to completely soak the shower head because the vinegar will help to break down any limescale and grime. You can use an elastic band to keep the bag on. Then just leave it to sit and soak. After a few hours, it's ready to take out. Give it a bit of a scrub. And it's looking great and ready to fit again. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.